Good afternoon, guys. While I'm sorry, the air conditioner just came on. While I'm making bread inside, I'm starting to plant my fall crops. I've been putting in beans in here and there for an early fall crop, and now I'm starting to put in my Swiss chard and kale. On the other side, on the other side of my property, I started carrots and broccoli. I'm trying a direct sowing with broccoli and cauliflower and see if that works out for me. If not, I'll start those. If I don't see something come up in a couple of weeks here, I'll maybe not even worry about that, because I do have some of those things in the freezer already. But I will be having a lot of green beans coming up. I already have some second wave of green beans coming up for the summer over in this bed back here. And so now I'm going to get started on getting this kale and Swiss chard in the ground. It's mostly Swiss chard. So I'll just bring you guys in closer and I'll show you my whole process, and hopefully my kale makes it. I'm not sure. So I have this bed where I already have some zinnias in it and a couple of jalapeno pepper plants. So I'm just going to go ahead and toss this stuff in here with this. And I have a smaller growing space, so we pack things in tightly, and that's how it happens. So I'm going to get to work and you guys can watch. So this is my Swiss chard. Isn't that great how that turned out? This one looks fantastic here. I love the colors. So there's 3 in this, so I'm going to take them out individually, separate them, and put them in the ground. Okay. So I got my trowel that's close to that size. Just dig a nice big hole. And I have some compost from underneath my rabbits. I'm going to stick that in there. Take the sticks out. I'm going to add a little biotone starter. Helps the roots establish. Just a little sprinkling. Carefully take it out and stick it in my hole. Okay. I love this yellow color. Another little bit of biotone starter. I have 3 in this one, all different colors. It's kind of root around here. So I'm going to very gently take these apart. Yep. That one might not be a go, guys, because it broke. See how these ones go. Okay. Just got to be gentle. They don't like to be away from their other friends. We'll stick that one right over here and see what happens. Put a little biotone in there. It may surprise us. Never not give something a chance to live. Ooh. Now, a cool thing about Swiss chard, because it's so pretty, especially the colored ones like these, is that you can hide them in your landscaping in like your front yard, and it would look really cool. And you know, you just harvest the outer leaves and it always looks pretty, and really simple like that, guys. I don't do that because I have a lot of rabbits in my front yard, literally living in my front yard. So I don't do that, but it's something that you can do. I battle a lot of rabbits around here. Whoops. one kale back here in the back. Yes, the other ones didn't turn out very healthy, so I'm buying out on those ones. We're not going to do those ones. I'm not going to put something in the ground that doesn't look healthy to start with, because that's just going to attract pests. So here's our kale. Okay, now just to water that in, guys. Isn't that a beautiful plant right there? I have to water this in really good. This soil right here is kind of dry. Oh, that's root bound. So there you go, guys. Now this stuff will all perk up. It's got a little bit of shock, but it will all perk up. So all right, you guys, thank you for coming along with me today as I planted some things in the garden and got a lot done. We'll see you next time, and God bless.